Hey lovelies, welcome back to Moby. So here's a quick vlog of how my Saturday went. So I woke up pretty early because I had a lot to do that day. This is what I do every morning. I wake up, I do my devotional. So I usually use the YouVersion app for my devotionals. So after that, it's affirmation time. I made my affirmations, then I prayed. It was time to dress the bed. So I woke up, I dressed the bed just the way it should be. Then after that, I decided to brush my teeth. So I went to the restroom. This is me brushing my teeth, washing my face. Everything I'm doing here is really unusual, and I don't normally have breakfast. I always skip breakfast most of the time. But then this morning I decided to have breakfast because I woke up hungry. This is me having my breakfast. After that, I decided that I needed the room to smell nice, So I refilled the humidifier and added some essential oil. So this is the rose essential oil and sandalwood essential oil. So I mixed the two of them together, and this is a lovely fragrance. So I decided, okay, let me just start this day because I needed to go out to do a lot of things, and this was how I got dressed. Anytime you see me wearing a face cap, know that I have a lot of things to do that day. So thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. A bientôt!